This rather stunning thing is Fossil's Gen 6 smartwatch. Fossil sponsored this video to give me the chance to check it out and to show you just how impressive it is. It's their latest generation of their smartwatch line, which means it features Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus platform at its core. That means 30% more performance over their last generation, which means faster app loading, faster processing, and lower power consumption. In fact, pretty much everything about this watch is designed to be faster. Charging, for example, using their honestly brilliant wireless magnetic charger, which can attach at any angle and even rotate on the charger thanks to the dual pins on the block and the twin rings on the back of the watch. That's now literally twice as fast, or 80% charge in just over 30 minutes, which is way faster for sure. What else is faster? Well, with the new processor, just about everything. Firing up apps like Spotify is instant, and all of the controls react immediately as well. Skipping through songs is remarkably easy, which I can't say for many of the smartwatches that I've tried. You can use OK Google to answer your burning questions, set alarms or reminders, or even make calls, which yes, you can make and receive calls with this, or just control them easily if you prefer. Of course, one of the key benefits smartwatches offer is fitness and health tracking. Since this is a Wear OS watch, Google Fit is built right in to help you track your steps or workouts, or you can actually use Fossil's own wellness app, which combines activity, sleep, cardio fitness, blood oxygen, and heart rate tracking and monitoring into one easy to access dashboard, which you can access by just pressing the top button on the side, and that shows you all of the different metrics, and you can enter any of them as you please. But actually, speaking of the buttons and dial or crown, I really want to show you this. Now, it's not exactly uncommon to find this sort of configuration, a few buttons on the side to quick launch apps or stuff like fitness tracking. The Gen 6 uses the top button, like I said, to open their wellness app, and the bottom button fires up Google Pay instantly, I might add. And yes, that means that this has NFC, so you can use it for contactless payments, which is frankly amazing and not something that I've personally used before. It's also not uncommon to have the central button or crown be the cancel or menu button. Again, that's what it is here too. But what I found so special is that when you are this sort of gently hinted at by the knurled dial or knurled crown, it's an actual dial. Like if you twist it on the home screen, if you twist it up, it will bring up your notifications and nicely scroll through them for you. If you scroll down, it will bring down the drop-down sort of settings menu. And if you press it in to open the menu, you can use it to scroll through all of the menu options, which is fantastic. I can't explain just how much nicer and more premium feeling this is to be scrolling with a nice metal knurled dial rather than using your greasy fingers on a touchscreen. Now, I briefly mentioned heart rate monitoring earlier, but I want to expand on that. The Gen 6 features an improved sensor, which combined with the new Snapdragon Wear core is better than ever. It works even more sort of accurately in even more situations, and of course continuously. And what's even better is that they added a blood oxygen sensor too. While they do make it clear that both of these are not meant for sort of medical diagnoses, it's a really useful feature to have literally strapped to your wrist, especially if you're exercising or you just want to keep an eye on it. And lastly for me, one of my favorite features about this is actually its styling. Fossil offers a wide range of both the main body and dial designs and colors, and of course a collection of different straps made from different materials, styles and colors, really kind of the full works. That means that you can choose your style, whether it's a stainless steel body and clasp, or my personal preference, which is this sleek black with the nice silicone band. They have options for you. On top of the personalizations, it's also actually stylish. Like, it's not big and clunky or massively thick. It's pretty sleek looking, and for once it actually looks like a pretty normal watch. That's a benefit that's easy to miss on a spec sheet, but spending time with it, it's actually something that could make me, convince me to actually wear a watch again. So that's a quick look at the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch. If you want to check them out or even pick up one yourself, I'll leave a link to them at the top of the description for you. And of course, I want to thank Fossil for sponsoring this video and supporting the channel, and of course to you guys for sticking around and watching. If you have any questions or you just have your own thoughts on the watch, I would love to hear them in the comments down below. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can do so nice and simply by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell notification icon, or maybe a bit more directly with the YouTube join button or Patreon, or a load of different affiliate links in the description, even merch for hoodies or t-shirts like this one. You can also check out plenty more videos on the end cards if you want to keep watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, do leave those in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.